Hi everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about permanent tissue part 2 under this simple tissue coloncyma. Coloncyma. The term coloncyma was coined by the scientist Sladen. Main characteristics of coloncyma. Coloncyma is a living mechanical tissue. It is made up of elongated cells which may be oval or spherical or polygonal in shape of section. Localized deposition of pectocellulose, mainly pectin, and hemicellulose is the characteristic feature of coloncyma. Vacuolated cytoplasm is found in the cells of coloncyma, which means vacuole is present in the cytoplasm. Intracellular spaces are not present, which means intracellular spaces are absent. The cells assimilate food when they contains chloroplast. The coloncymaceous cells which contains chloroplast, they performs photosynthesis and prepares food material by own. Origin of coloncyma. Coloncyma originates from ground meristem. Occurrence. Coloncyma is found in the stems of herbaceous dicotyledons, and coloncyma is absent in plants after the secondary growth because plant becomes woody. Coloncyma also present in petioles of the leaves. Lamina margins of leaves also bear coloncyma. This protects the cracking of lamina margin due to the action of wind. Coloncyma is absent in woody plant parts, root, and monocotyledonous plants. Coloncyma forms the hypodermis of dicotyledonous stems. It is found either as homogeneous layer or in patches. Types of coloncyma. On the basis of place of deposition, coloncyma is classified into three different types by Mazumdar, such as number 1 lamellar coloncyma, number 2 angular coloncyma, number 3 lacunar coloncyma. See, coloncyma is three types: lamellar coloncyma, angular coloncyma, and lacunar coloncyma. Lamellar or plate coloncyma. Lamellar coloncyma is also called plate coloncyma. The cells of coloncyma arranged in lamellar forms. The cells have thickenings on the tangential walls due to such type of deposition. Cell looks like a lamellar or plates. Example, sunflower stem. Second one, angular coloncyma. This type of coloncyma abundantly seen in plants. The cells of this tissue are angular. The depositions of pectocellulose occur at the corners of cell. Examples, stem of datura, solanum, and tomato. Let's see the diagrammatic representation of lamellar or lamellate or plate coloncyma with lamellar thickenings and angular coloncyma with angular thickenings. For a better understanding, check these diagrams carefully and understand the diagram carefully. Next one, lacunar coloncyma or tubular coloncyma. Large intracellular spaces are present in the cells of this tissue. Deposition of pectocellulose on the wall of intracellular spaces. Intracellular spaces of coloncyma are thickened. Example, cucurbita stem and aerial roots of monstera. Now, the functions of coloncyma. Coloncyma gives mechanical support as well as physiological support. Collenchyma provide mechanical support to growing parts of plant such as young stems and petioles of leaves. Due to the presence of chloroplast, it is also participates in the process of photosynthesis and prepares food material. See the diagrammatic representation of lacunate or lacunar collenchyma. See how the cells are arranged in the tissue, how intercellular spaces, are thickened, and everything you observe carefully in this diagram. Up to here, we completed simple tissues collenchyma under permanent tissues. In next video, we can discuss about simple tissues sclerenchyma under permanent tissues. Thank you very much.